Ever heard of a QwikSwap board? It's basically a lifesaver for when your motor's gone to gadget heaven and the only spare you've got is either playing hide and seek in a supply house somewhere or cost you more than a fancy dinner for two. Enter this magical miracle board, which works with any constant torque or variable airflow ECM motor up to 1 HP. Just yank out the old motor, pop in a regular PSC motor, attach the board, and voila! You're an HVAC genius! Confused? It's okay. Weren't we all a little skeptical when we first heard about amazing life-changing inventions? But enough history. Just visit our website today for a complete instructional guide with pictures and step-by-step tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Also with pictures. Or go to our YouTube page and watch HVAC tech gurus like yourself show you an install or two. Ask your counter lad or search engine for a QwikSwap board today.